Day 3 ng Ramadan, guys. Ayan na, guys. Kainan na naman, guys. Ayan, no. Ayan, guys. Kainan na naman, guys. May salad. May macaroni bechamel. Yan, guys. Ayan ang aming. Ayan, guys. Yan pa, guys. Yan, kainan na, guys. Kain na, guys. Kain na, kain na, kain na. Kain na, guys. Kain na. Ayan. Ayan naman, guys, si Gingging, guys. At ito ang aking pagkain, guys, is bechamel. And then salad. Ayan ang aming kakainin, guys. Ayan, yummy na, guys. And then broccoli soup. Ayan, broccoli soup, guys. Ayan, guys. Sarap. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Mama, chup-chup. Bye.